Hi Anya.
Hi, mommy.
What are you doing, Anya?
I'm doing school project.
What is your school project, Anya?
My school project is caterpillar, sun, and these
Okay.
leaves.
Okay. What your caterpillar is doing?
My caterpillar is leaves.
What your caterpillar is doing?
Leaves eat.
Okay, leaves eating. And after that?
He turning to pupa.
Pupa. And after that?
After that, he come out and he turn into butterfly.
Oh. And fly like a...
Butterfly.
Oh, how it flies? Very nice. Bye, Anya.
Bye, mommy.